Hi and welcome to my weekly environmental roundup. Spot STCs were down last week, 15 cents, closing at 38.25 as we saw the 2020 vintage roll off. We had a strong week in LGCs as liable entities put their 2020 surrender behind them and started focusing more on the forwards. The Cal 21s were up $1.75, closing at 37.25. The Cal 22s were up $1.25 to 28. The Cal 23s were up $1.75 to 21.75. Cal 24s were up 85 cents to 10.85, and the Cal 25s traded for the first time at $8. The VIX were down $1.75 to 46.75, well down from their $50 highs we saw a couple of weeks ago. Under normal circumstances, we might expect to see a rally in the VIX with the lockdown in Victoria, but I think after those highs, they've come off a little bit. The Eskies were down $1.20 to 30.30. And ACCUs had another strong week. They closed up $1 to 18.50. We're seeing a lot of interest in ACCUs and carbon in general this year, as we're seeing more of a sentiment around that market. The NZUs were weaker, closing down 60 cents to $39 off those highs we've been seeing lately. The first auction of 5 million tonnes is coming next month, which is probably weighing in on the market a little bit. The EY report, Australian Renewable Export COVID-19 Recovery Package, released in 2020, estimated that every $1 million spent on renewable energy and exports creates 4.8 full-time jobs in renewable infrastructure, or 4.95 jobs in energy efficiency. By comparison, $1 million on fossil fuel projects has been found to create 1.7 full-time jobs. CEP will build a battery in New South Wales, which is up to 8 times as large as the Tesla battery in South Australia. It will have an estimated 1.2 gigawatts at an estimated cost of $2.4 billion. The battery will be operational by 2023 if everything proceeds as planned. BHP's West Kwinana refinery has signed a 10-year contract with the Meriden solar farm. BHP Nichols West Asset President, Eddie Haigel, said the arrangement would allow for more sustainable nickel production moving forward. He said this contract will further increase the sustainability of the nickel produced by Nickel West. It will reduce the refinery's electricity emissions by 50%, diversify our energy supply, and reduce the refinery's electricity bill by up to 20%. Now that's all from me today. I hope you have a great week.